Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, July the 28th. Well, a very, very bearish day today, and we can see from the candle that we have a very, very large red body, and that means that the market has sold off substantially. The bears have made substantial net negative gain for the day in trading this market down. We have a new first time frame downtrend. We have a lower high and a lower low, and the market was trading up above the Kumo. We noted yesterday that the market had traded up above the Kumo, and when the market's trading up above the Kumo, it means that the market has a bullish bias to it. But we also noted yesterday the shadow on top of the candle, and the fact that the market had closed just only above the midpoint level of the range. And that means that throughout the day, the bulls had lost some of the control and some of the commitment that they had throughout the day, and they closed with some weak form of control. Now, it wasn't necessarily the nice, strong sort of close that we would have liked to have seen on a breakout above the Kumo, and it's little wonder that the market had traded down. Now, we really needed to be watching the high and low of that candle to take some cues from it. But anyway, we have a first time frame downtrend. The market is now trading back within the Kumo, and the market can find support anywhere within the Kumo. Now, looking at our Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, the Tenkan-sen is on top of the Kijun-sen, which means that we have a positive bias to the market. The crossover occurred some time ago, but that crossover occurred within the cloud, which means that that was a neutral signal for this market, and we've seen what's happened subsequently. The Tenkan-sen has failed to act as support, and quite often the Tenkan-sen will act as an area of support or resistance, especially when there's a strong upside momentum, and there was, and that's evidenced by the strong angle, the steep angle of the Tenkan-sen, and it's quite significant that the market just traded all the way down through there, and we couldn't find any support there. So I think that says something about the lack of strength of the bulls, that this rally really, when we look at the candles as the market was trading up around these levels, it really didn't look like there was going to be any substance to any further appreciation outside of the cloud. So a very, very strong sell-off, and now we have the Kijun-sen attracting price action. The Kijun-sen has turned flat. When the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to attract the price action, and that is reflecting the fact that the market has moved back into equilibrium. So we're at disequilibrium, and we've moved back into equilibrium. Now, also the thing is with the Kumo, when the Kumo turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action. So there is a chance that if the Kijun-sen doesn't hold as an area of support, then we should look to support here at the flat bottom of the Kumo or the cloud. So there is potential for that area to hold. We can also get false breakouts from these flat areas of the Kumo or the cloud. So if this market does continue to the downside, beware of any false breakouts. Looking at the volatility in this market today, if this volatility keeps up, then we may see price action continue down below the Kumo. So an interesting day's trading coming up. We have some areas of support that we need to watch. We also have an area of resistance that we need to watch, which is the top of the cloud. If we have a solid close outside of there, then the market may continue appreciating. But if we look at these the wicks here, this is an area where the market is continually sold off. So any price appreciation up to this area will be dubious, and we really would need a solid close up above 960 for the market to continue up, and then we have a resistance up here at 967. So a negative day, I'd expect that we'll have continued negativeness, or the market will consolidate.